one symbolic harvesting for the fish. As the fish family they go, you all come to the watchery now. Because the president will make this be a good example for inspire people for say, we self be able to feed we self be able to do enough for make sure say we contribute to your own effort by the feed salon. So the first phase we'll get now that definitely the president goes to start the fish harvest. The president, the minister of agriculture, we don't clap for the minister of youth himself. Now don't clap for the minister of youth himself for catch proper fishing. Now don't clap for the minister of youth. So this fish pond and catfish
what Minister, one single shot of president. You are into a one single shot of him.
Clap for the president.
Okay, then one single shot.
Then one single shot down. Don't get one single shot down. Just the buy one game. All back from what you buy one game. Forget one single shot. Clap for the ball. Clap for the ball. Clap for the ball. Clap for the ball. Thank you very much. So we're going to do the symbolic harvest for the catfish then. We're going to be at this stage. At this stage, we can do President can talk to the cameraman or let's say a message because we know say in the chief from the country. The message we get for the country on food security, but also waiting. They're not
One year now where we don't launch feed salon. How the agriculture business, how the feed salon business on the go, and your own farming business?
Well, because we don't take agriculture seriously before, we're not going to just start them like this. We just want to lay the foundation. And that foundation means a lot of things they will go for do in terms of policies, in terms of let's say infrastructure, when I go make we do the kind of agriculture we want to do. But what we decide for do now for show salon say able to one. And at the test salon 2 examples. Now just less than 2 years ago I started this on the second harvest. And I want to make salon manage to say fish in our tap. But with all the complicated problems about climate change, time can carry difficult for get fish. Expensive. So I decided to start this one. We get so many ponds there. This is not just one, and these are the second harvest this. We can able just like have the main force, with the main goats, with the main cow, sheep. We able to main them fish they have so where we able to feed on. Now this kind of food security, people they able to do this at the backyard if they just get the technical for doing. The minister for youth. Now somebody where they introduce, now he actually teach me for do this wire. With the support of course the Ministry of Agriculture and also Marine Resources, where now they actually get aquaculture. But me I just believe say you're not going to be agriculturist, for do agriculture because everybody dey eat. So for that reason they for able to do things then go for able to get food security. So man sit down at Freetown, he say me I dey say food security, not see the food. Me I dey do me own. I dey invite everybody. May we go behind we are there. May we go now the bush the way they. May we plant, may we grow, may we also make. We get plenty of other things that we'll be able to do. Just for make sure say enough food there and the quality good enough for doing the nutrition. So malnutrition will be a thing of the past.
So this short term we don't begin, we don't try, we don't improve Panyaba's business, we don't improve Panya's business, we don't make the imports they go down a little bit. Now, plenty salon man can say, but once I continuous me now until they flop me more. Which encouragement you go give to salon people for push for let we eat waiting we self they grow for push agriculture go before?
Well, that country now where you afford the Chinese rice, make we eat that. But the rest where they grow now more nutritious than any other rest because we know they put chemicals, we know they put fertilizers system not there most of the time, and we know we're not going to plenty chemicals there. So we encourage people to fulfill what through the grow now. Make we depend on that. Like that one they have so now simple food system. Oh, now we just create now. We combine them and now we do the nine make them go. So again, Sierra Leone they get for one support their young food. Support their young made in Sierra Leone so that way they want the way they do agriculture, they go prosper and then we go see agriculture as a business, not for just labor. Now that make me say don't carry inside this pond today. Almost every week at the Kenema and our man salon man they join me, but do all the different things then. The more we plant corn, chicken, everything, make we do and for more get food. We not go depend power with money for the self for me. So these are just one of the examples the way I can do today.
Mr. President, one of the ventures that where you take not to inside fish farming or aquaculture, other areas and get back where you focus on in terms of fish salon. Why you take such venture?
Well, like I say, I want to lead by example. I get cashew farm when I'm over 1,000 acres. I get cocoa farm when I'm up to 800 acres. I get palm, where I don't plant. Where that is in about 600 acres. I get chicken them, I get me own vegetables from here. I just want to show salon say, people that sit down, they say, nothing all day, we able to do them. We get enough rainfall, we got a chance to don't give it. So we are left to the rain, So we get good fertile soil, we need for use, we hand them and go back to the bush. Remember the way they sit down at home, they don't get nothing for today, working all day. We can campaign your own work now. Now that make the Ministry of Agriculture day, now that make Marine Resources day, Gitman day, the Minister of Youth, so that they go able to train because the Minister of Youth they actually help me to establish it because in a very big way. But this is not just a little over a year. So every young man able to get this wire and do it. It's very simple. Then get cheaper way for do this. Now we will not want to go inside the swamp. Then we create this cement, but then get simpler ways then for do them. So are the big salon people then. Feed salon, not to matter if you want the feed, not to the Ministry of Agriculture, the feed, not to Marine Resources, nobody feed, not to them, the cow we call them poor farmers. If they do this, you know the poor, because this way they sell them, these are just one. We get 20 of them on there soon. 20, different. We get to lap them at the other side. By the time you sell all of this, the poor man again. So are the big salon people there. Make we take food business, agriculture, food security seriously. Because it's not the only bring money to it, it also help people make we get job. The one that we not get job. And this way also we get plenty of people the way they work for just young man them. Then they acquire the young skills. And when they want to go on the side, we will help them to do the initial one and help them with the feed. So they will get the young fish from them. So I invite everybody, not to everybody left fishing, but it's been a Shibraman, now I make a start with fishing. So I invite the one that was a bit good, goats na good thing, sheep na good thing, cow na good thing, corn, rice, cassava, all the plants then where they eat. If you know they eat them, you sell them, you get plenty money, and that hard up, that hard up where they make man them vex all the time. They destroy it. You never get them. So at the big one, instead of with the long remote all the time, man they not glad you. We're gonna farm. It's very therapeutic. They fish there where I can come. I don't know if they don't pull us up at all. Where they feed them. The way that they're happy, the way that they come up. It's therapeutic for me. So every weekend I come and see them. So I just want to invite Sierra Leone, the more no say farming then it will help you forget food, it will help you forget money, it will reduce the unemployment, and it will make Salon a better place.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Thank you very much. Thank you very
much. We call on the minister now for come. We continue the minister of youth, the lead now, and the minister of agriculture, Secretary President. For now, we conducted some. We get plenty upon the area. We will get different type of fish. The Muslim president today. There were catfish. We just don't harvest 7 tons of fish already. Now we see the president, they send feeds to the fish them. The president is sent feeds to the fish them. If you do, anytime you can visit a farm, please, like I say, the president want to say, for inspire Sierra Leoneans them, for make them know say, feed salon and food security business, all one business. Not a politics business, not a APC or SNP business, it's all one business. So we all to support the president in food security for make the food business.
Hello. Let's go.
The black one.
So President now is sending it for the black tilapia. They can say get different types of fish them. The president is in farm. Now he is sending feeds them for the black tilapia. So I know say Coco Minister themselves will farm, will inspire. In fact, the Deputy Minister of Health, if you just tell me say, waiting to can see for the fish business there, to inspire for themselves, go do the fish pond there and farm. So, an effective of what I say, police by example. President say, inspire everybody. But say fish business, not just farmer business. Fish business, or farming business, not money business. Sales, productivity, and support the Freetown Salon agenda.
We get plenty ministers today.
Oh, no go book all my name. But one for tell una thank you.
I'll go faster a bit. Go. Move. Go. Move. Go. Go. Logo.
Not part of the team. Definitely, this it looks like swimming pool, but not a swimming pool. Of course, for make you grow fish, you get for get plenty water, and you also get for clean the water. So we get this system where the water when they don't use the canaya, they go through filtration, both for physical things then and also for any other biological material for make and clean again. If they clean the water, they canaya, they will supply them because come March, February, March, April, it go difficult for get fresh water. So we create this system so the water when they use, they recycle them, but they clean them before they send them back to them. So all of this water and that's the for and the one the way they inside because fish, of course, as we know, just like how they grow goats and other things they use grass, it needs plenty water, and the water equality for the good. Now this experiment will be the experiment. With this, the quality of water we will go for the get now, and because we get for the change we dey increase the number of fish then where they per pond, and yeah, so we go get high concentration. So what you wanna see and na just beginning. So now that na the essence now, so that we will go full commercial, get full commercial operation. Thank you.
God bless you.
Keep going. Keep going.
Fire the country. I make president say, make the whole nation. Hey,
the food security business.
We don't decide our way.
So this president personal leadership should say how to play with parts and make sure say you feed yourself. So president will take it through the farm himself and explain to me
Council for Miss
Logo.
We go before, you will come quick.
Yes, and we just make the place not grassy and just throw some grass.
Three of them. And according to the minister, well, and then natural corn there, even modern.
Yeah, when I be the one day we will be see the other fish there inside cement pond we create for them. But we are not say fish then our talent they not get cement. So this what they call acting pond. Now we create now this like tilapia. Then plenty now. So now we can feed them, but then just there inside the natural environment with the water and with the make sure say this water bag it gets outside the commode so that fresh water will come inside here. Now that no more we do now. This like tilapia, unlike the other one day. So this time now we call acting pond. And now this plenty people go able to do because now then swamp them upline, then get other methods that we then use, we then go put plastic around them so that you go actually able to produce plenty fish and not for just you home, but also able to sell and get more money. Another harvest. You don't harvest? Yes. You don't harvest? Yes. I thought you said the bigger ones.
We'll harvest some big ones already. Except one of you. Look at the net.
Live.
Good life.
Take your time, be careful.
My people don't go with the fish in you.
Now the Minister of Youth apply for feed the fish now. So we see a demonstration of way we see the fish now in jump. They don't make some catch. They don't make some catch. When it's not just for demonstrates. It's not just for demonstrates. Now the presidents, they watch the fish that they just catch from the pond. So this na tilapia them we just don't do catch. Just for also remind everybody, we get 20 tons of fish for harvest, but for today we just harvest 7 tons out of the 20 tons of fish we get for harvest. So the Minister of Youth, they continue for the President while they move around. So we just turn down the side outside now the fish section. Now we go now the poultry area, because like I said earlier, the President they do beaucoup things in there. So now this president in farm, every day that they produce 7,600 eggs per day. Clap. This poultry 7,600 per day. Now that they produce now the poultry section. So then therefore inspire everybody. Imagine if Bokupa we take president in footsteps from make them president this young man with his team and they produce 7,600.
We don't come on the beach side now, the culture. This side here, now this young man, now he helped me for start time. He get in young poultry already in McKinney, and he employ about 15 or more people. But now he helped me for start just a little over a year ago. And today we get how many chicken layers? 10,000 layers. That are layers, now the one the way they lay egg. So how many eggs will they produce per day at the moment? On average, they produce 7,650 eggs there. Now they produce every day with the amount of the number of chickens they will get. If you check the tray, if you stand this way, you can see.
So the president inspects now the extent His Excellency the President now will explain to the media.
The chicken dog. These are serious fertilizer, especially for the one that we do lettuce and other vegetables. These are expensive material aside this. We look at all my for candy and for you're lucky the one that we know the smell, which really smell. But these are good material for agriculture.
The president just will explain about the chicken that can produce will also good for agriculture, for fertilizer. The president will explain that little all.
How many years has it been 2 years? 2 years. Yes.
The Minister of Youth, they continue to take the president to
Come here.
When SLBC they be you said for they be always.
So make sure to see what we do to complete what we do at the end. So at least we're going to produce about 18 to 90,000 eggs within the next 5 or 6 months. We started
So we go other side we also get the facility as well for let President continue the talk in fact. So as man
Yes, at the counter, yeah.
Every month. Waiting than they mean. Then they mean say within the next 6 to 7 months, Boku farmer they not going to import their own chicks again. Like then chicken they also pass we import them from Holland, Belgium and other places. And then they make Boku farmer the way one for going to poultry farming. Then they stay there. Because some man when a small farmer not even for buy 1,000 chicken. Some man not buy 2,000, buy 20,000. But it's the chicken they are now. Anybody who wants to start a small process and let us know how to give test because of some business you have to inside the matters or you're not getting capital to start the cow age status. So you go for access the facility where you can set up, you can buy 50 chicken, 100 chicken, 500, depending on the capacity, HUA available for all farmers. So that they can do this money also for many people to understand this is possible. We make it as responsible, we make it for providing eggs them for people because the present market for eggs and responsible, people know. We import on a yearly basis. We import over 300 million eggs. When you quantify that into dollars, the poultry market is worth over $50 million. That means because locally we never even commit 20%. It's our rate on the system. We never limit 20% of the demand. So the importance that is when you want to be of the Lebanese, Indians, and foreigners, that many but with the kind of facility in the HG can set up now, we all man will get access for opening the poultry farm. Because not just the hatchery, we also need to set up the feeding. So the thing are very easy, like a one-stop shop. When you come, you get to chicken, you get to feed. We also need to set up a veterinary lab. So now one-stop salary, you have to set up a poultry farm. You get everything you need for making sure it's set up and one hour successfully. That means Boku practice almost $1 million website like that. Not even what do you want to say that mean? That means the dollar will go for because now because the change the loss to dollar for buying means all $10 that they go dollar that they go but $40 million or $50 million where you not exchange the loss for buying that means the dollar is stable but people just listen to politics because of the demand of the dollar a in the beginning, all $10 before. But if we produce, we don't feed, we don't egg, we don't chicken. Of course, we will do the boilers. Rather than putting the tell that we will not get the boilers. The boilers and chicken that we use nearly for minutes. Period on average about 3,000 to 4,000 every month. But now I'm minutes. So we don't produce that kind of it means $1, we don't go take $50 million again for going import things. That means we need to stabilize the economy. We also make sure feed one of the biggest issues in livestock farming and most especially poultry farming. We need to stabilize the market. But we go into maize production now. They're going for their market now, so for them to sell their maize, because some they make up about 60 to 70% of the poultry feed. Now more of all than the city. So the more people are going to poultry farming, the county chamber will set up so it means more farmers will get access to markets for selling the corn. It means that people will buy fish food because we also use fish there. They also in the red market. Then people will buy the rice plant. We will always then the red market. So as more people are going to farming, yes, we always share. Because they don't see new people that I say we use less of imported components. Mainly the local people components we use because HGO can be priority to make sure that whatever we do there, so the money is accumulated in the community, not to go out. So mainly local communities that we use. So as HJ said this farm is set up as a model farm for making people and people can see and land. And all what you see set up now, what the Chinese man can set up. Now we all salon more than mainly people that we set this up, now people that for marketing, where we begin now the big things, agribusiness training and research center. Now they can set up all these facilities. And the kind of deal when they get to the can set up now, so we don't get more people who come for volunteer every day because they want for land. And actually they make the facility open from the fish farm to the vegetable farm to the poultry farm and all the other facilities the way HG get in mind for set up where I know say by the time we get it done by next year, first or second quarter. All that things they go on the all the facilities that they are available for Sierra Leoneans them who can learn and understand. So if somebody they come on here now or go work in another poultry farm, and they hit the ground running, you understand exactly waiting for them. If somebody they come on here so they can get you to the way within the house, they look at it, they step there in small farm there, where they don't set up. We get you to the way within the house where they work for other people and other farms there. So this is a very good model where the president don't set, and we urge other people there for coming and join. Of course now we get the experts and technical knowledge. But good people and they will be done together where they now and they wait for other people that will set up their farms them or make them go work and share the knowledge when they don't learn that HGO farm.
Thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much.
About 40 years ago, they said we just start. By 5, 6, 7, we fix our this year. Nobody will make a continent again. Big study, president in the talk about where forces of the new president chicken at State House. Remember what they say? They don't know what the normal put the chicken where guys are. They don't say the house for the president chicken. And that chicken never going to be president. The president will say, Mama will be 18, they got on the farm, and now big person in this ministry.
Say that that's the 1A, because this means that 2A went from
now big person in this ministry.
Say that that's the 1A, because this means that 2A went from
So now we end now on the vegetable side. We end now on the vegetable side in the area and the farm. 7 ton, now we harvest enough to that plant for fish, and we get 20 ton by the farm. Leadership by example. Leadership by example. Not just something that they can set here. In fact, this farm is supposed to know 60% or 70% of the people. You got the leadership by example. The president try to show and corridor. So now we are going to the vegetable area. I got the police. Yeah, the people chicken. What's in the
Okay, we just want to demonstrate also what His Excellency will do in the vegetable sector. We're going to see what we see cabbages, very new varieties we will introduce. So that we can come for them, we will see what will happen. Across, we're going to see a lot of greenhouses, 10. We don't harvest enough of the vegetable shading yet. So His Excellency will so much on that. But the fact that people wrote it up, you put inside and you see pepper. We just don't grow that establish them. From there we get tomatoes, and from that point also we get another extended vegetable varieties on that side. We try to improve this. This is one of the best cabbages we will just establish. It will take 2 months here. And in a very short time we will come out from them we will harvest. I want to tell the thank you. And I introduced to also the giant training and I want to look after the vegetable farm for His Excellency Mr. Mohammed. And we will work together for the make sure see the vegetable.
We have to support your program because your program will promote our culture with our culture one. So the program we give a lot of time and the Tundu, Bukuba, Babina Maso. And the Tundu, Palama, Besakai, Kenema, Palama, our sisters who are Babunde, and for the problem. We made it to you, we just said the camera, and the what are you see? What to stand there? What to cover you? What please tamatisi? Fena, whatever. Can you have some love?
Wait, Mohammed.
Come now, have a check on the group. Right.
And how much stuff that again? These are the road prepared by the regular. This is hot. These are the red type. These are not typical. The yellow one, the yellow one. You don't have to do it. It is the sign level to find where you are saying you don't have a salad. And this is a food. And this is a produce for food. This would harvest any issue they will harvest and 20 lines. The basket like we try to go for 1 million. And we don't harvest. We don't harvest like in the silent road to our way to pass the road.
The next time we're going to for the tomatoes. The tomato sales don't harvest are done.
We'll go to tomatoes. We'll go to tomatoes. Everybody come on one shot of apple.
The next greenhouse will be for the tomatoes. Already harvested at least 11% yes. It is in progress. Yes. This is the tomato and bonga. We don't harvest now, but we are still, we may still harvest. We are now harvest now. And this one, the market table, we will not use the market to wholesale. And this one, when you go to sell about kilo, each we harvest now 10 live. And each 1 kilo it costs me 100,000. And if you say we sell every day, if you put the price down, if you say it will help more in the country. This is Mongal.
So we end now say on the pepper and some of the vegetables them where they not harvest and the fish and the egg them. So they advise the media and for when they go at the front, because not going to make that they block the passage too much. So we can now for make President can see sample of the thing the way they know harvest, the vegetables them, the fish them.
Great space. We're not going to be small.
So this is the way they talk about it's not the fresh pepper them, big pepper them way they don't harvest today. Now the president they take a look at now. They don't plastic the all. We're gonna see say they're very fresh. We see cabbage them as well. We see potato. President don't own the potato. We the thing them way they don't harvest from the farm.
They don't push me.
Then now the egg that they want there we like the president will not say.
Sorry. Well, today for me, a very big day for make the agriculture business, the food business, what we don't talk about, for make it work in a salon. For make we get we own go to produce way fresh. For make we get we own pepper, and all the other things there. So now that makes every weekend we are come, everything where they use now because are they able to get that. Because we get plenty of people they who don't encourage for can work na ya. Then serve the other one, the one they have to really sell them. Then they take care of themselves and also the other activities there. But I just want for make salon no say we able to do one. Now for me we just put we hard day, we go able to do one. So this now waiting and collect I think just today. Every day we get over 7,000 eggs then this is not the one for today. So if you want to get fresh eggs, I think are the best inside this. My man where they do this one, like I say, na Paul marketing the commode. Now you can teach me how to do this. And most of the interns where they work now or we don't work now from marketing and they teach me how to do this wire. So the one day where they for regionalism, tribalism, we not sabi that one day. The young man where they in charge of this family so Alibama. I don't pull an optic down a vegetable.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ufficially on president now look at with the harvest. And the people who minister in the Bible. Who minister in the Bible. And this president was from represent inspired. And the people who minister in the Bible. The second of the thank you very much. For the president, and so we will end the harvest and the conducted tour of the farm. Please, for make we all feel inspired. President want to lead by example and make it don't come to me in the farm today for showing what we do for inspire the country and citizens them for saying Yusuf Kinduam make president don't come between but also for make it just say it's serious for the food security agenda we now don't say for make we feel itself. So this now just example of what you don't show you. So just for recap for the fish. Today we don't harvest and some of the vegetables them we they not harvest and the fish and the egg them. So they advise the media and for when they go at the front because we're not going to make that they block the passage too much. So we can now for make president can see sample of the thing that way they know harvest. The vegetables them, the fish them.
Great space. Una go be small.
So this is the way that we talk about. This is now the fresh pepper them, big pepper them way they don't harvest today. Now the president they take a look at now. They don't plastic the all. We're gonna see say they're very fresh. We see cabbage them as well. We see potato. President don't own the potato. We the thing them we they don't harvest from the farm.
They don't push me.
Then, now the egg that they want there, we, like the president will not say.
Sorry. Well, today, for me, that's a very big day for make the agriculture business, the food business, what we don't talk about, for make it work in a salon. For make we get we own egg of the produce way fresh. For make we get we own pepper, and all the other things there. So now that make every weekend we are come, everything we are they use now because at the able get that. Of course, we get plenty of people they who don't encourage or can work now. Then serve the other one they one there so they sell them, and then they take care of themselves and also the other activities there. But I just want for make salon no say we able do one. Now for me we just put we had day we go able do one. So this now waiting and collect I think just today. Every day we dey get over 7,000 eggs then I have. This is the one for today. So if you want get fresh eggs, I think are the best inside this. My man where is really this one like I say. Now, Paul marketing the commode. Now he can teach me how to do this. And most of the interns where they work now or we don't work now from marketing, and they teach me how to do this wire. So the one day where they regionalism, tribalism, we not sabi that one day. The young man where they in charge of this family so now the barman. I don't pull an optic down a vegetable.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The fish that they are going to say, the fish that the president now look at with the harvest. Aha, and the people who minister in the Bible. Who minister in the Bible. Now this kind president from represent inspired. And the people who minister in the Bible. The secretary of the president to all the thank you very much. and the promoted soul of the farm. Please, now for make we all feel inspired. President want to lead by example. I make it don't come to me now farm today for ensuring what we dey do for inspire the country and citizens them for saying Yusuf Kindouam. My make president don't come to me now, but also for make it show say it's serious for the food security agenda. We now don't say for make we feed itself. So this now just example of what you don't show you. So just for recap, for the fish, today we don't harvest.
A reporter, a presenter, and an anchor for the Slbc.
I am Dennis Fraser, reporter and presenter here at the Public Broadcaster, and this is the Slbc.
Hi, I am Kenema, a news anchor, a reporter, radio presenter, and announcer. I find pleasure in keeping you updated, and it's a pleasure.
Hello everyone, I am Slbc Tv, a reporter and presenter at the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation. Stay tuned all day, every day. Cheers.
Hi everyone, I am Cecilia Alice Sise, a news anchor, radio and television reporter and presenter, and an announcer. I take interest in stories of human interest, particularly women and girls and minority rights issues. So, keep watching the Slbc, the authentic voice of Sierra Leone.
My name is Daphne Kimamakoli, and I'm a reporter, presenter, producer, and I am a voice at the state broadcaster, the Slbc.
Tribalism. Salon, now we come to sweet salon. Now we for try for build this above all else. So help me God. So help me God. Salon, now we come tea. Sweet salon, now we for type for build this country. Fine, fine salon. It no matter how we be today. Thing go fine one day. I say thing go better one day. Mama, so long we owe it to you. We go do all thing where we go able for better we you. Mama, so long, may God bless you. We go change the attitude and ready for better we you.
Sierra, Josh, baby. VOA, Sierra Leone, the Lion Mountain. There's something about the green, white, and blue. The one we criticize, them no getting no clue. There's something about the green, white, and blue. And when we step in at the land, yes, I feel so good. The people are happy, counting the blessings. We so blessed, we got the natural resources. There is no place I would rather be. Mama Salon is the place to be. Oh, yeah. Come let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty and to see the fountains. Let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go now this world, I not go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. West Africa, Sierra Leone is the place to be.
Mixed by a bass.
Oh yeah, call me Michael the Don. It's gonna make me the sing say. You be the woman where they satisfy me, satisfy me. Yeah. And anytime I deal with you, I'm happy, girl, I'm happy. Yeah. Cause they say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes, in your eyes, in your eyes. Baby, that's why me I dey sing say. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you.
Let me be the one to, let me be the guy to treat you like a risto. Baby girl, I used to be for the vibe too, be for the run to, be for the call to. Anywhere you want to, baby you go die go. Baby you not fit to, the piece I feel so, feeling no go lie to. Listen to me right through.
They say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes, in your eyes, in your eyes. Baby, that's why me I dey sing sing. Anytime where I dey with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I dey with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. I would do anything to change my ways. Only this I love you make a bad man grace. By your love, that make me to feel this way. Nobody can fit take the feelings I'm feeling for you. Cause they say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes, in your eyes, in your eyes. Baby, that's why me I dey sing sing. Anytime where I dey with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I dey with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you.
Baby, you on a big side, picture on me profile. Connect with you, thanks to the most high. Beautiful no man, me and you na past life. Man, they don't try, she never comply. Skin so brown, call you mulatto. Take you for shopping, Paris, Milano.
Anytime where I dey with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I dey with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I dey with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you I love you. love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I day with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you.
Ultrasound.
Oh yeah. Now you be safe and no get money. Me not so you party. You say I will let Congolese. Oh no, say me not nobody. You say me something na kowata. And me salad na try carry. I make a try for change me position. So one day you go call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion overseas. If you shake body, I go spray money. I said this that true story. If money not there, you not get money. They make me say for they change position. So what did they go call on me? Call on me. Call on me.
Say me I know say, me best friend can be me worst enemy. Say me I know say, the people where like na them go they jump for. Me mama be tell me say, na poor man they can turn to butter. I'm not born for suffer. I go on myself and scatter the dollar. Big for you don't get money. Nigga down you don't get money. Salon DJ then get money. If you need money, make it call on me.
Call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion overseas. You shake body, I go spray money. I said this that true story. If money not there, you don't get money. Make me say for they change position. So when they tell me call on me, yeah, call on me, call on me, yeah, call on me.
Put me enemies on lockdown. Give them bell out and lock mouth. Gif and G, I don't give them bench. Give them fire for fire. This life is a story. Everybody gets young. I don't make a once and not keep forcing. They must call on me.
Call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion overseas. If you shake body, I go spray money. I said this that true story. If money not there, you not get money. They make me say for they change position. So one day they go call on me.
I go make you smell like dollar, oh.
Call on me.
I go play you like a baller, oh.
Call on me.
I want press you like a button, oh.
Call on me.
I want spoil you like 2-way routine, oh.
Call on me.
Alman on the mix.
Call on me. Call on me. Call on me. Oh.
Shady baby, shady baby, oh, shady baby, oh yeah, shady baby, oh. Anything you believe in, nothing gon' work for you, nothing gon' work for you. Nothing what you believe in, nothing gon' work for you, nothing gon' work for you. If you believe in mathematics, it gon' work for you, it gon' work for you. If you believe in Jabadantis, it gon' work for you, it gon' work for you. If you believe in medicine, it gon' work for you, it gon' work for you. If you believe in country medicine, it gon' work for you, it gon' work for you.
He get with the album band, and if he at school, he get to study all. As we get to young believe, as all myself get above. The truth be so talk me. If we not believe, nobody go receive. If you believe, you go receive, you go receive. If you not believe, you not go receive, you not go receive. Believe in this order to go walk. Make nobody pass judgment by the other man. Now Baba God no good and I the better one. So I believe in myself. And they try me best. I go do me best. Make Papa God do the rest. Believe in myself, yeah. I go try me best.
We give all the praise and thanks to Allah once more, and we come to Una for make we can talk a wonderful topic. And this program they come to you from the Islamic Department of the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation. And today we will talk about this wonderful topic, what are the significance of this day today, where we celebrate today, we observe today when Maulud Nabi. Inshallah, I get with me, we panelists and also where we all come together for me we can talk about this wonderful topic, where the significance of Maulud Nabi, that the birth anniversary of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Inshallah, we will bring you this program, our brother in Islam, Al-Haji, brother Muhammad Usha Conte, where the Secretary General of the Forum of Islamic Organization for Peaceful Coexistence in Sierra Leone. Mashallah, I guess my honorable brothers there also, where I will turn to, where they will introduce themselves, they come out from various communities them, for make we all come together for make we talk about this topic. So they go over to Molvi Fuad Lole, where come out from the Ahmadiyya, come out from the Sunni community.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to my brothers and sisters in Islam.
And I also get Sheikh Yunisa Sila, where come out from the Shia community.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. My respectable brothers and sisters in Islam, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mashallah, we the Forum of Islamic Organizations for Peaceful Coexistence in Sierra Leone believe in one thing, say, yes, we don't get, mashallah, we don't get a wonderful religious tolerance. We thought of it, say, yes, there is need for me to get sectarian tolerance also. The sectarian tolerance will mean is that the Holy Prophet Muhammad will not prophesy, say, we go divide into 73 sects. And that division there will not make them for say, because we don't divide, we will not foresee one side again, we will not for come together again. We all will believe, say, we all for hold on to the rope of Allah, and we don't get for divide. So that's why we come together, despite whatever opinion or whatever differences, mashallah, we get the understanding, like how Allah say inside the Quran, that He make we to tribe and nations, for make we better understand ourselves, not to for make we divide ourselves. So if we be as a sect, we get for understand ourselves, we get for no say yes, this he wants, no, this you don't want this, or this, how we go come together for coexistence. So that's why we use this wonderful day today for say, well, yes, despite we celebrate the Holy Prophet Sallallahu in birth anniversary, yes, we also use that as a way for unite ourselves. Say, yes, bro, we all believe in the
same kalima, la ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah. So there is no need for me to divide ourselves again. So whatever you said, let's come together, let's talk, and make we advance with religion with Islam. Well, today, now the topic will come for talk about the significance of Maulud Nabi and the birth anniversary of the Holy Prophet Muhammad. I will give each speaker for make we just talk short one for make we just talk about the significance of this wonderful day. May I begin with you, Sheikh Molvi Lole from the Ahmadiyya community, where the education sector, the Ahmadiyya mission also. Bismillah.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So like how my brother Alaji Usa say, mina Fuad F. Lole, we work for Ahmadiyya Muslim Mission, and of course I come represent Ahmadiyya Muslim Mission all under the umbrella organization of Forum for Islamic Organization for Peaceful Coexistence. Today, we consider as the birth of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We think say we all for come together and observe that day, because we don't find out say some people they conflict with the language celebrate. Well, again your understanding for celebrate. But for let we not go into disagreement, may I call them we they observe, we they commemorate, you know, the birthday of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when are the greatest man on earth. Somebody we before say now the prophet for the whole of humanity. So if that in the day reach, we the Bonam for come together as a unit and observe that day together, regardless of we doctrinal differences. But with commonalities, Boku, we get the same Holy Quran, they observe the same fast, they go Hajj, they say the same Kalima. We get so many commonalities and few doctrinal differences. We not for divide we at all. So I thank you so much, Alaji Usa, for giving me that opportunity for talk small bit on the birth of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, where we understand say it will happen on the 12th of Rabiul Awal, but different opinions there. Some other schools of thought say on the 9th of Rabiul Awal. Some other opinion go there. The important thing is it happened inside Rabiul Awal. So we get a common meeting point.
Thank you so much, Brother Molvi Fuad Lole, for that wonderful explanation. Yes, we get a common meeting point. Yes, some go say that the 9th, some we go say that the 12th, because we the Sunni will say that the 12th, the Shia they say that the 17th.
Yeah.
Mashallah, now that's made them say all this, well, look, we all come together. Let's get a common point from the 12th to the 17th. Now Unity Week. Let's unite ourselves. We don't need to be divided. All we to know is that the Holy Prophet was sent to us. Make a go back to Alaji Saidu Kamara. Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيد البشر سيدنا محمد كاتب الأنبياء يوم الدين أما بعد حجة الإسلام السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Respectable brothers and sisters, we want to say at the vision of all the Maulud Nabi, the birth of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Today is a very great day because now today we as Muslims follow, remember a man we can direct we about Islam, we can teach we about peace, unity and development. So every year like this, before Sidolo for reflect about the issues that we bring come, we make today Islam don't spread all over the world. We as Sierra Leone, on behalf of the Forum of Islamic Organization for Peaceful Coexistence, we will bring all the different sects them. As soon as FC, we get the Shia, we get the Sunni, then we get the Ahmadis. We all come together in spite of the different things that we'll get, but we all come together because we all pray, na the Al-Fatiha, na the Holy Quran they use, and we all perform the Hajj. and come for can discuss about this great man. We don't try for bring a lot of unity in that world. We try for bring development, bring peace for all members, for make let Islam get for spread. You know, saying a Muslim, you know, they remember this particular personality. So forget that also today, that we come for those observe, they join hundreds of Muslims all over the world for celebrate the Maulud Nabi.
Thank you so much, sir. I'll make her go over to Sheikh Yunisa Sila. Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وصلى الله على رسول الله وعلى آله الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. My respectable brothers and sisters, once more again, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala.
Before I continue, for go into my small speech where I get forgive, inshallah, we'd like for congratulate, we all waiting at the studio and congratulate the Muslim Ummah for this particular blessing where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala he don't bless we. For this favor where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala he don't favor we. Yes, indeed, among the Muslim Ummah, arguments they concerning the legality of this particular celebration of Maulidun Nabi. But this particular argument where they between the Muslims them, enough for be a bone of contention between we for make we forget the thing we bind we. Wallahi, just now when we come out na the hall, who we they celebrate this particular birthday, he write big one bien na the billboard bien. They write wa'tasimu bihablillahi jami'a wa la tafarraqu. For say una hold on to the rope of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and una not be divided. Not so? No. Good. So in that light, just like how una don't make mention, some get the belief for say the Maulidun Nabi na the 9th. Some get the belief for say na the 12th. Likewise, we self get the belief say na the 17th. Not so? No. Today happens for Bihu's day, the 12th. Not so? No. That no make we will believe say na the 17th we not celebrate with tonight. Not so? No. Because we believe for say this entire month na month of unity. No. This entire month na month of peace. This particular month na month of blessing where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala he blessed the Muslim Ummah with the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. So now that the one way he say this particular incident or this particular celebration in all legal, it get improved. We know the force for say Papa pass him put in. Come and celebrate with we. You understand? Yeah. But if we self they celebrate, I believe say we self get we own proof we make we celebrate. Not so? Good. None of we know the way waiting. What are you the candon to? Jibril the candon to tell us in this and this and this. Not so? Now based on what we inherit from the books them, not so from the Quran and the Sunnah of the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, movie they get from different sources. Not so? Some they say they get them from Sahabas, some they say they get them from the Ahlul Bayt, the Prophet in family. Huh? No. But that not for be problem for make we not unite. Because we all are Muslims, just like how you say. We all they say Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadun Rasulullah. Not so, we all get what in a single book we all they use. Not so, the prayer that the same thing. So let me concentrate more on the things them where they bind we together than the things them where they divide we. So if I get for the introductory speech, I will stop now inshallah as they go with the throw light more on the significance of this day inshallah.
Thank you so much, my brother. It's so wonderful that mashallah we all, despite our doctrinal differences, we say we for come together. That's why we presently within our Freetown City Council Hall, we address the theme of the topic today. Now Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, an architect of peace, compromise and diplomacy. Mashallah, we get wonderful speakers them who get for address that topic today Islamically. So inshallah, we will talk about that. But before that, Maka go over to Molvilole because we do a Thanksgiving, a march pass today. And I believe say you be there closer to Amir Musa Mewa where we they talk because they see us say na a leader, and the rain be dey calm down small. When he just say he shed tears, he make we self feel am. I want make you explain, give people them how Amir Musa Mewabi feel. He say in feel when they tell us say, oh, you know Amir, now for going inside the motukasa, rain the cancer. Bismillah, sir.
Well, you know, anybody we know Amir Musa Mewa, na simple person. He only strict, and he also strict with religious matters. You know, they compromise that one at all. We all see where the rain catch we na Kisi Road. Me self pray boku where the rain begin threatening. Finally the rain come. I whisper to my company. I say, fellow me, I don't doubt me prayer, but what did happen today? Doubt me. Oh. I pray boku for let this rain not come. I say, but the rain come, man. Now he say, must be not discouraged. He say, Allah know in reason. Now I say, not true. Allah know in reason. And indeed, that not been a trial. Allah Almighty go and see how them people here come together. What impressed me of all, yes, sir, you talk about Amir Musa Mewa, but what about we own president when a Paking, Justice Abu King, from Upgon, Sheikh Muaz, from Upgon, take and city council. Them pardon there, I think they don't take Boku, you don't know the Waka in this time. Then Waka from Upgon, where then begin come, all worry. The youth man, they would call Kudam, the girlfriend umbrella, now so they all the Waka in confidence. So that in fact, in giving the courage, say, let we all soak. Like my brother Alaji Musa when they talk, me say sorry for him. In entire clothes soak, in trousers also. But wonderful enough, by the time we reach city council, some don't begin come out. We close down dry back. You know, where Amir Musa Mewa remember the kind unity and the kind trial where Allah put we into, and how we resist that kind trial. We show say we are in servants, and we not, nobody not even run go under shade. We leaders, the spiritual leaders, the Sunni, the Shia, the Ahmadis, then take the lead. So who are you for go under shade? So we all been take pleasure, in fact, all the soak. Now so people then they jubilate for we all reach Abacha. I feel fine. The market woman they all they jubilate with we. All man they declare takbir. Amir Musa Mewa, we remember that scene, he cry. Now the unity this organ and this country, where still people want divide we. No. I think say this now some of the reasons we make Amir Musa Mewa become emotional. Because we get that kind of unity. Still people want try for infiltrate, for divide we. So I think say that are some of the reasons we church and the cooperation, the unity we see will come together where they commemorate how we prophet teach we.
Thank you so much. That unity, what they amongst we, that bond, what they amongst we, despite the rain they come, we see us like a pleasure for make we day under that rain day. Even myself one tell me, oh, Sheikh, you know, can't sit down small. And I say I don't soak for so many things then we're not beneficial to myself. This one is so beneficial to me for soak under them at the happy back. Because I soak under them, wallahi, it was so good. We do something just for the sake of, for please Allah and the only Prophet sallallahu, you know, get nothing. We go church, you say, oh, now this happened to you. Wallahi, even Allah say, if you not sabi me, I go worship me. If you not sabi the only Prophet sallallahu, how we go follow him? There are several things then. You get the treaty of Hudaybiyah, where it's signed with your people then. If we not talk about that, how we go able for sabi the possible go follow? Make I go over to you, Alhaji Saidu Kamara, and also how the Prophet be behave. So even the non-Muslims then, the Christians then, the Jew, where a Muslim does a Christian fault, they go to the Prophet and make you support her. He say no, now that Christian they get it right. The Muslim they say, Prophet, I be expecting you for support me because I'm a Muslim. He say no, give me rights. Now rights. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Brother Usha. My brothers and sisters in Islam, we get for follow the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You see, we in Sierra Leone for Telgo Tenki who formed this organization, Forum of Islamic Organization. First and foremost, when you be on the prior before form this organization, there will not be the meet, right? Where the Ahmadis, we don't do for over 100 years in Sierra Leone. You understand? We don't get a lot of schools there, over 300 schools. They don't produce a lot of people them. You understand? Then we judge them up at their own set. Then we don't get the shares them back. Of course, we are the Sunni. They don't see within existence. But other people then decide for live by their own side. Okay, then they come together. Then we focus as one people. Then we try for achieve aims and objectives. When they perform the Hajj at the Holy Land of Makkah, we see Muslims them from different parts of the world. They perform the Hajj. They go to the Makkah and they go perform the prayer with unity, with one word. Like how you talk about the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now, so if it don't happen, we then tell the people want for fight against the Muslims them. But Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he tell the people and say, we'll get forgiven right because Prophet Muhammad, the man with justice. Prophet Muhammad, the man with peace. So based upon all that, we as in followers of Islam, we follow the doctrine the day. And that is why people them, foreigners them, diplomats them, where they are accredited at this country, then they commend with and they praise the Forum of Islamic Organization for who decide for come together, you understand, for mover, especially the former Nigerian High Commissioner. He was so really impressed. In nearly one for shed tears, we see all come together at one time. We'll be celebrating same but the Maulud Nabi will be invited and they. He was really impressed. They shed tears because it reflects on his home country, that Nigeria, who side the Sunni, then they see the Ahmadiyya, then they see the Shias them. When they being fed on the so he admire we and say really he want follow sell this kind of peace for local and other countries. Wow, no, we come together. They will say prophet, they will say believe and say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. You see, so now all it here, then treating the always Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We don't do. You understand? We as followers, we therefore follow the path of the Holy Prophet Muhammad and follow the Holy Quran. Waiting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tell me inside the Holy Quran for follow him so that we able for bring this unity, not left for divide. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and I know the right. So if you ask me, I will stop here. So thank you very much.
So much, sir. Wonderful presentation. Make we go over to Sheikh Yunisila, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, an architect of peace, compromise, and diplomacy. Which will we learn from this wonderful topic?
Well, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Taking into consideration Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as ambassador of peace, we the Muslims them, we take the key word for example of Islam or Muslim. It come out from waiting, from salam. We mean waiting, peace. And we know say the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is as waiting as rahma, not also good. So Islam as mercy for mankind. So that mercy he establish him again among the ummah with waiting, with peace and harmony. We know say among him missed them, he been get enemies them. We him being some them isabi them. You understand? Some them isabi them. Likewise again, he get waiting, he get the Christians them, the Jews them, but waiting, he hold them with waiting, with peace and unity. You know say because they not accept Islam, that means we forgo attack them or no. All the battle them where the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam he fight, na defensive battles them. Na defensive battle them. So na a prophet of peace and he preach peace. Like how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala he commander. Good. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Like how he say inside the noble Quran al-Karim, what they talk about the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, where he praise him, he say wa innaka la ala khuluqin azim. They tell the Prophet say, na inna the one we get the best of conduct, the best of character, and we know see peace and harmony. You know they out of best of conduct. Not so. Now one of the criteria them done there for lay somebody be some person we get good character inside the religion Islam. You know they characterize somebody where they commit terror, somebody where they commit dispute among people them, somebody where they create problems here and there, as somebody where get peace or somebody where they hold on to the message of Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he say inside the noble Quran al-Karim again, laqad ja'akum rasulun min anfusikum azizun alayhi ma anittum harisun alaykum bil mu'minina ra'ufun rahimun. He say a messenger don't come to una, where this messenger indeed na one way na from una sesef na in ikomot. Although he get people them we waiting, when enemies them, clear enemies them to her, but waiting. This particular prophet, he get concern for that, for the people them where they around them, and not the most kind and merciful to the believers. And the mercy of the prophet, not to the believers, they no more extend them, not so good, even to the pagans them. During the conquest of Makkah, where they don't conquer Makkah now, then gather the Asir them. That means the slave them, the captives of war. When they don't gather them, some of them in the field say the prophets they come waiting. If they come take them, some of them in the field say they can't kill them. Some of them in the field say they can't put them in a prison. Some of them in the field say waiting. If they come turn them to slave. But after we then don't capture them, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he give them condition. He said, "When I accept Islam, some they accept, not so. The one they not accept, he free them out of mercy, out of the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because in the noble Prophet Muhammad, na rahmatun lil alamin, na mercy for the entire universe." When I say mercy for the entire universe, you don't mean say a Muslim no more. No. The kafir they inside. Even the animal then they inside. Even the stick then they inside. Anything so far where they na the universe, waiting. It they inside the mercy of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I will stop now.
Thanks so much, sir. Mashallah, as you don't say, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam na a mercy unto the universe. Not only to we the Muslims then, not only to we the people, the weaker people then, because that's why my Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam be advocacy for human rights. He advocates too much for the vulnerable people then. He advocates too much for the orphans then, the weak people then. Wallahi. So all of us. So it does not mean say, oh, because I see the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and this way me see him, then you see her this way for me palava. No. Now a mercy unto all of us. Everybody get for see her in your way. Where is see her in your way? There is no need for make you a bogam, you curse her or whatever thing. No. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam come for the whole creation. Now he can cover. Where then at Medina, he covered the Christians there. He covered the Jew. He meet the Jews there. Then they keep fast. He asked them. He said, why not they keep fast? They say, oh, we prophet Musa alayhi salam, who they call Moses, Allah be save him by that deep sea. When he save him, will they give thanks unto Allah for that wonderful day? He said, he said, when I don't see her closer to that one a prophet they down herself. He said, that my brother. So make we boost the begin keep fast. If we meet up the other here, make we add so that we will get more blessing more than them. You see, he don't say because they are Jew, man just left the waiting the paper no more. But I believe say some of we, if we begin our opportunities, they say no, no keep fast. That in a Jude, no keep fast so. Well, now but the Prophet was despite you see the people there, he say, oh no keep fast. Bobby Lawyer,
Yes, sir.
you feel safe to adopt the attitude of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, especially for this human rights thing. We now they see people, they point out, we say, oh, Muslims they violence, Muslims they do them violence, then harms them, this and that. You feel so to follow that character of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How Salon go dey?
Alhaji, Sierra Leone will be the most peaceful, and we will begin export peace.
Mashallah.
I want to tell you and all the respected audience, say if we, the Muslims, continue for practice the Sunnah or in accordance with the life history of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Sierra Leone will peaceful so much. This question will ask me not come as any strange one or surprise. 2 days back, out of me just relaxed them, I say I understand say Sierra Leone gets a larger majority of Muslims occupy a larger percentage in Sierra Leone than any other person. So all these things where they happen in discipline, early morning I see people they sweep the street before you say 12 o'clock the street don't dirty again. Then same people they go to other man country, they know they dirty that street. Wow. So if Muslim them boku so much in this country, first thing are we the Muslim them lawless in this country? Because if we the Muslims decide for practice and follow the footsteps of we master, one, Freetown go clean.
Mashallah.
Sierra Leone will be law abiding. We no go they do violence. In fact, like when they talk about peace, the Prophet of Islam no force anybody for become Muslim, just like we colleague been saying. We learn at the Holy Quran, La Ikraha fi Din. Nobody, they're not the force for let you follow the Prophet or let you accept Islam. When you see anything convincing in Islam, you accept. So Islam no allow you for force anybody. You go see how the Islamic religion tolerant. I want for tell me audience, say then when they listen this program and then when they listen then speech when they give today na City Hall, say do ya, I know they give vote of thanks of course or me last word, but now we follow them example here. This are some of the benefits we make we they commemorate this day. For let we remind we audience, let we remind we Sierra Leone society, say we will practice Islam in accordance with how the Prophet recommend, then Sierra Leone will be a better place. I pause for now, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Make I go over to Alhaji Saidu Kamara.
Thank you very much.
Right. You are a journalist, and I believe say you don't cover so many stories then. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Alhaji Usha. When we talk about the human rights and for the justice, the Holy Prophet Muhammad in Kaino Day, and that is why we as Muslims we follow the footstep. We don't see the example plenty one of the Holy Quran. For try for the justice, make sure that person forget in rights and let express himself according to I want for express himself. We will be to say he will bring benefit. We did see how this religion, Islam, don't spread nearly all over the world now. In fact, people in the attribute for saying that one of the fastest growing religion, especially in the West. Country that we not expect say then they accept Muslim. They now Muslim play very pivotal role. Go to the United Kingdom, Germany, Turkey, England, etc., etc. All in countries, the people they accept Islam because people don't follow, right, the doctrine of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as well as this wonderful book, the Holy Quran, we teach us for the very justice. Lord, make sure that everybody forgets your right. Brothers and sisters, we listen to we as Muslims, we prophets don't talk like how, but Lord, let's say, and then the Holy Quran, we say love. That is to say, you know, for force people, you understand, and for accept your religion, right? Then they accept the your religion. People accept Christ. And we as Muslims, we not for say no, you understand? There are millions of people a day, you know, for go heaven. No. He left to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but they are Muslims. They say get some attributes them within the try for portray. For Lord, we love one another. For Lord, try for be justice. Lord, try for get unity, and they'll get one word. You understand? So equally, we as Muslims, for respect them and justice. That's what we get for peaceful coexistence. For be very tolerant. We believe, say, as Sierra Leoneans, forget that doctrine, definitely people will be proud of we, and we make a lot of foreign exchange with us. We want for exchange their doctrine and the way for learn, for live together, coexist together. You understand? We respect people for their own views in spite of the kind of belief where people get. But this is very, very important. In other words, we follow waiting in the Holy Quran. True Muslims, we want to become a good Muslims, you understand? And two things we for always follow. One, waiting the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam tell you to for following the Quran. Then the first thing that they will abide by the dictate of the Holy Quran. And the second one, we will accept you as a Muslims, waiting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala don't tell you for says this thing. We know for supposed for do as long as you abide by them two things, of course, you don't become a candidate for enter the heaven, inshallah. Let go with that opportunity there. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much. Well, I'll go over to Sheikh Yunus Asila. We know say the Holy Prophet sallallahu that a noble character we all for follow. And if we not get an opportunity for me to talk about this Holy Prophet sallallahu who that we will follow. I believe say would they hide the true character of the Holy Prophet, so people will not get possible they go admire, possible they go out follow. But one important thing about the Holy Prophet, we don't read so many books then where they tell me about the way they forgive. Despite other people that will get different things against them, because one time they say, wow, that woman they go to way dirty all the time. When not to way dirty, he say, speak about Father, but make I ask for this morning to wait until closer to me while they pass. You go pray for what they say no well. So tell me about the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in terms of forgiving enemies then.
Well, just like how I've been done discuss in my second presentation, indeed the Prophet now one way be merciful to the people them. Now one way not to only the Muslim them be merciful to, be merciful to everybody where they around them, to every living thing, because the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, now the one way, now the holder of the Sharia, now the holder of the law of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So you know the right of in companion, you know the right of the animal, you know the right of everything. So everything so far the Prophet he gave in right. Now it make them call the Prophet Uswatun Hasana. Good. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala he tell we all this now in praise of the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He say ya ayyuhan nabiyyu inna arsalnaka shahidan wa mubashiran wa nadhira. He say, oh you the messenger of, oh you the prophet of Allah, we don't send you as witness. You know the one way, the witness. And also as you don't send you for be the one way they tell good news to the Muslim ummah, to the people there, for say waiting, when you do this and this and this, reward there for you. When a good reward. When you do again this and this and this way then forbid, you get also again waiting, punishment. And also na nadhir, na warner, are the one again where they warn the Muslim ummah then. So being that na one way they inform good news and one way they warn, the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this incident where we they do so, it been done putting, it been done perform, but in different style. It there inside hadith them. For say the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he been the fast on Mondays because he born on Mondays. In thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala For tell Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala thank you. But we ask this question. Now only one way they for tell Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala thank you? Of course not. Anybody they ask you, they tell you say no, not one green way. One green way they for tell Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala thank you. Not so? No. Yes. And it come again inside the law of jurisprudence, inside the law of fiqh. For say Tarkul Mustafa Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam li fi'lin min al-af'ali laysa dalilan ala hurmatihi. The work, for example, where the Prophet left, let's say for example, the Prophet gather in Sahaba them all for make what in hafla, for make merry, or for make have celebration for in Yom Bad. They don't say gather them. Huh? Now you make the proof the what is that they tell you now, so the law they tell you say the thing where the Prophet left do part of the work them. No means say the Prophet is haram. Not all to where the Prophet left do, it means say he haram that particular thing. Means say because he gather in Sahaba them for celebrate them. If he gather them, if the Sahaba then gather them celebrate them, he haram what in do. All that's what you mean. No, not so you mean. I cite example for you. The Quran al-Karim, where it come, haraka de no bin de pana. It been there, we all know the history. Haraka de bin de fatha kathra doma. It been no, it not been there. But where them put them, haram or haram? Of course, haram. Not so. Haram. Not so. Yes, the Prophet he put them or not put them. Not put them. Not so good. So then they tell you say. The Prophet put them, but where he come what in? Is he agreeable? You don't understand? He acceptable. Again, the Prophet, for example, we see him say plenty size say eat with spoon, eat with hand, for example. If me you eat with spoon, haram would do? No. The Prophet can convey what he convey in message. He not use social media. He not use their instruments them so we they use for convey in message. If we use them for convey in message, he haram? No. If we talk say anything where the Prophet do, if we can do na haram, we all life full of haram. Because if you take the clothes where we wear, the food where we eat, the life where we live, all around you they see I'm say what in. All around you they see I'm say na more things them way na new things them. You understand? So all them particular things them so we forget them na the back of we mind. But what we they celebrate the birthday of the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it will be one hadaf, one aim. What in the aim? For seek the nearness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now if you find out where we they do that particular celebration day, the woman them they so, the man then they so, because waiting it haram for you mix with them, not so? No. Yes. Inside there again, we they see am say what in there inside there. Now worldly thing there, no, we open them with Quran al-Karim, recitation of Quran al-Karim. We waiting. We take the aim for talk about the character of the noble Prophet, for talk about the goodness of the Prophet, for talk about the greatness of the Prophet. You understand? And we tell Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala plenty thank you for make he put we among the ummah of the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So
thanks very much, Sheikh Yunus Sila, mashallah. We know say time don't bet we now. We for talk more, but alhamdulillah for this wonderful platform where the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation give we, and mashallah will they make use of this platform back now the all for me to talk about the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We believe say if we not get chance to talk about the Holy Prophet, there is no way we will follow up. Now we will take them beginner now or the big one themselves. You tell them about footballer, he will tell you all the entire history of what they pay, who side they sleep, who side they make. It ain't a mistake one. Yeah. But when you say about the Holy Prophet sallallahu, it's a problem. So as we round up now for the program, inshallah, we will just get few minutes for round up. Inshallah, over to you, Molvi Lole. We will round up on behalf of the Ahmadiyya community. Bismillah.
Well, one for tell all Muslims, boku thank you for where we observe the Maulud Nabi. May Allah Almighty continue for bless with or continue for observe in the manner in which no go appear like Nabida. May we continue for observe in this same manner where we say we just educate and enlighten we younger ones them and other people where they will learn more and more about the life where the Prophet live. Today, forbid UF, don't become crime, punishable by law. The Prophet say, "Khairukum khairukum li ahliya, wa ana khairukum li ahli." For say the best amongst una, na the one way best for treat UF, and me na the best in terms or in the manner of treating me woman them. So we not read any side in the history of Islam say the Prophet been beating wife. Me not read them it. If it is, if I not read them it, today it don't become punishable by law. We mean say the Prophet na a noble Prophet, na an excellent exemplar where the life where he live. If we, not only Muslims, as Sierra Leoneans, decide for follow the life and example of the Prophet of Islam, Sierra Leone will improve past how we sound so. May that happen.
Thanks so much. Round up quick, Alaji Saidu.
Thank you very much, Brother Usha Conte. Once more, I want to extend my thanks and appreciation to all the Sierra Leone Muslim Ummah and as well as the world at large. We also remember we brother Muslims that they face the challenges them, especially in Palestine, where they get a lot of suffering there, and other continents around the world, including Africa. Who they pray to God Almighty Allah, let God make them get peace and stability for people in their country. Then they. The only advice I want to say to we all brothers and sisters in Islam for try for follow the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in lifestyle, in rule of which he do. We as Muslims, if we follow the characteristics then they and follow the dictates of the Holy Prophet, there is no need for to make any conflict.
Okay, thanks so much.
Very peaceful.
We'll go to Sheikh Yunus Sila. Bismillah.
Well, me respectable brothers and sisters in Islam, una don't listen to we. Inshallah, with the old una follow una go out and know more about the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But one thing let we get now in mind. Wa'tasimu bihablillahi jami'an wa la tafarraqu. Let we hold on to Islam, then we left other things them way they divide we. You get what you believe in, I get what I believe in. You get your proof, I get me proof. If me proof not convincing enough to you, stay with your proof. There not be problem for me, and myself me only not be problem for you. So far tell una plenty. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As we come to the end of the program, and so we want to say plenty thanks to the government of Sierra Leone for where they give this noble opportunity, the Sierra Leone Muslim Congress, the entire Muslim Ummah. We want to say thanks to the students there who are brave today, the military, the police, the scouts, the correctional services, all of them who are brave today for make the dua for the Holy Prophet. We want to say thanks to everybody, the camera operator, the editor Mandia, Gerald, the one holding Alexa Pig. We want to say plenty thanks to them. So we don't come to the end of this program, and I will say thanks to Mrs. Gibson and Aja Kali Johnson, who will be there with you at the Islamic Department. We remember them, and we remember all the people who don't pass away. Make Allah sorry for them. Make Allah have mercy upon them. Make Allah forgive them. And we want to say thanks to everyone. Me will be there with you and our brother in Islam, Al-Haji Brother Usha Conte, Secretary General of Forum of Islamic Organization for Peaceful Coexistence. Now, so I will say, Salamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Sierra Leone, the Lion Mountain. There's something about the green, white and blue. The one we criticize them don't get no clue. There's something about the green, white and blue. And when we step in at the land, yes, I feel so good. The people are happy, counting the blessings. We so blessed, we got the natural resources. There is no place I would rather be. Mama Salon is the place to be. Yeah. Come let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty and to see the fountains. Let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. Yes, you're missing, you don't know what you're missing. If you've never been to Sierra Leone, you don't know what you're missing. Fine, fine bitches everywhere. Fine salon, titi and baba, them they everywhere. Don't tell where we they live in peace. Even though we disagree, now we they keep the peace. So 24/7 we they enjoy. From Freetown to Kenema, oh to McKinney we they enjoy. I say from Tokyo to Limatu, Saloma to Papa Clef we enjoy. That's why me tell you say, let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty and to see the fountains. Let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. No matter who side you come out, I dey welcome you to salon. From Europe, America, I dey welcome you to salon. From Asia around the world, welcome to salon. Welcome to salon. Lion Mountain, land of the free. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. I say welcome to Sierra Leone, wherever you're from. Welcome. Beautiful country, nice organic food. West Africa, Sierra Leone is the place to be.
Next Fire Bass.
Satisfy me, yeah. And anytime I deal with you, I'm happy, girl, I'm happy, yeah. Cause they say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes, in your eyes, in your eyes. Baby, that's why me I sing. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you.
Let me be the one to, let me be the guy to treat you like a risto. Baby girl, I used to be for the vibe too, be for the run to, be for the call to. Anywhere you want to, then you go die go. Baby, you're not fit to. The piece I feel so, feeling I go lie to. Listen to me right through.
They say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes, in your eyes, in your eyes. Baby, that's why me I sing. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. I would do anything to change my ways. Only this I love you make a bad man grace. I love that make me to feel this way. Nobody can fit take the feelings I'm feeling for you. Cause they say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes, in your eyes, in your eyes. Baby, that's why me I sing. Anytime where I day with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I day with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you.
Baby, you on a big side, picture on me profile. Connect with you, thanks to the most high. Beautiful no man, me and you na past life. Man, they don't try, she never comply. Skin so brown, call you mulatto. Take you for shopping, Paris, Milano.
Anytime where I day with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I day with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I day with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I day with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you.
Sierra, Josh, baby. Leo, Sierra Leone, the Lion Mountain. Something about the green, white and blue. The one we criticize them don't get no clue. There's something about the green, white and blue. And when we step in at the land, yes, I feel so good. People are happy, counting the blessings. We so blessed, we got the natural resources. There is no place I would rather be. Mama Salon is the place to be. Yeah. Come let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty and to see the fountains. Let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. Yes, you're missing, you don't know what you're missing. If you've never been to Sierra Leone, you don't know what you're missing. Fine, fine bitches everywhere. Fine salon, titi and baba, them they everywhere. Don't tell where we they live in peace. Even though we disagree, now we they keep the peace. So 24/7 we they enjoy. From Freetown to Kenema, oh to McKinney we they enjoy. I say from Tokyo to Numatu, Saloma to Papa Clef, we enjoy. That's why me tell you, say, let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty and to see the fountains. Let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go now this wall, I not go forget salon. No matter who side you come up, I dey welcome you to salon. From Europe, America, I dey welcome you to salon. From Asia around the world, welcome to salon. Welcome to salon. Lion Mountain, land of the free. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I don't go forget salon. I say welcome to Sierra Leone. Wherever you're from, welcome. Beautiful country, nice organic food. West Africa, Sierra Leone is the place to be.
Mixed by Abbas.
satisfy me, yeah. And anytime I deal with you, I'm happy, girl, I'm happy, yeah. Cause they say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes, your eyes. Baby, that's why me I dey sing. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you.
Let me be the one to, let me be the guy to treat you like a risto. Baby girl, I used to be for the vibe too, be for the run to, be for the call to. Anywhere you want to, baby you go die go. Baby you not fit to, the place I feel so, feeling not go lie to. Listen to me right through.
They say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes, your eyes. Baby, that's why me I dey sing. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. I will do anything to change my ways. Only this I love you make a bad man grace. I love to make me to feel this way. Nobody can fit take the feelings I'm feeling for you. Cause they say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes, your eyes. Baby, that's why me I dey sing. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you.
Baby you na big side, tryna be profile. Connect with you, thanks to the most high. Beautiful no man, me and you na past die. Man they don't try, she never comply. Skin so brown, call you mulatto. Take you for shopping, Paris, Milano.
Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you. Anytime where I deal with you, I love it. I can't stop telling you, I love you. Every day for my life, oh girl, I want you. Let me be the one to stand beside you.
Ultrasound.
Oh yeah. SC5, Stanji Mugenge, I've been a rap king. Flacco. Ah yeah. Today not today, for me and you. Today not today, ah yeah. Today not today, for me and you. Today not today, fine girl, I like the way you want your waist, baby girl. You sabi broke it down low. Low. This girl, me like the way you want your waist, baby girl. You sabi broke it down low. Hey. You sabi broke it down low.
Yeah, fine girl, hey do my yay. I want for be a man, please give me your hands. Fine girl, don't pretend. I got 100 grams, we gon' take a trips. Down boy, we gon' make it flip. Everybody know that you my chick. I know my sala, thank you for me, baby. She bought me fine picking, I love you, baby. Salon Titi and they call me Aldina. I go take you down, Aberdeen. I go buy you some rubber drinks. Me and you go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Your brown eyes got me hypnotized. I lay your couple fruits. I want you to be me bright. Thank you for the love. I can see it in your eyes. Fine girl, that you my spice.
Today not today, for me and you. Today not today, ah yeah. Today not today, for me and you. Today not today, fine girl, I like the way you want your waist, baby girl. You sabi broke it down low. You sabi break it down low, 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 low. This girl, me like the way you wind your waist, baby girl. You sabi break it down low. You sabi break it down low, 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 low.
Today, baby, today not today, baby, me and you. Switch your phone off, mtejelewa patikani. You be rocking with the best, forget the rest. Now you that I won't make her confess. I like your sexy body in a tight dress. Ooh la la, make me I go confess. OMG, my hands on a caress. Wild thoughts, una undress. Nikupege ngelavu ndambaka moromoro. Watch your bonge, usiku wata dorodoro. Me and you, baby, wapige tu soro. Mimi na way too, I'm on a ride solo. Bonnie and Clyde, till the day that the D.I.E. You looking so fine, pose for the Insta pic. Nakupenda kila siku 7 days a week. And I go tell you lie, now you my main cheek.
Today not today, today not today, for me and you. Today not today, today not today, ah yeah yeah yeah. Today not today, today not today, for me and you. Today not today, today not today. Fine girl, I like the way you wind your waist, baby girl. You sabi break it down low, you sabi break it down low, low, low. This girl, me like the way you wind your waist, baby girl. You sabi break it down low, you sabi break it down low, 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 low.
Say if I no get money, me not so you party. You say I will hold like Congolese, oh no, say me not nobody. You say me sucking na kowata, and me salad na try carry. I make a try for change me position, so one day you go call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion now overseas. If you shake body, I go spray money. I said this that true story. If money not there, you not get money. They make me say for they change position. So what did they go call on me? Call on me.
Call on me. Say me I know say me best friend can be me worst enemy. Say me I know say the people where like na them go they jump for. Me mama be tell me say na poor man they can turn to butter. I'm not born for suffer. I go enjoy myself and scatter the dollar. Big for you don't get money. Nigga don't get money. Salon DJ then get money. If you need money, make it call on me.
Call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion now overseas. Shake money, I go spray money now. I say this that true story. If money not there, you don't get money. They make me say for they change position. So when they go call on me now. Yeah, call on me. Call on me. Yeah, call on me.
Put me enemies on lockdown. Give them bella, then lock mouth. Gif and G, I don't care and bench. Give them fire for fire. This life is a story. Everybody gets young. I don't make a was and not keep forcing. They must call on me.
Call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion now overseas. If you shake body, I go spray money. I said this that true story. If money not there, you not get money. They make me say for they change position. So one day they go call on me.
I go make you smell like dollar, oh. Call on me. I go play you like a baller, oh. Call on me. I want press you like a button, oh. Call on me. I want spoil you like 2-way routine, oh. Call on me.
Alman on the mix.
Call on me.
Call on me. Call on me.
nobody go receive. If you believe, you go receive, If you not believe, you not go receive, Believe in the sun, to go walk. Make nobody pass judgment by the other man. Now Baba God no good and I the better one.
So I believe in myself. I dey try me best. I go do me best. Make Papa God do the rest. Believe in myself, yeah. I go try me best. I go do me best. Make Papa God do the rest.
When you see man they crack, you get within your book band. And if he ask God, he gets to say oh. As you get to your belief, as long as I get above, the truth me say talk me. If we not believe, nobody go receive. If you believe, you go receive, If you not believe, you not go receive,
From the first day I met you, my baby, I'm not gonna lie, yeah, you got me feeling your vibes, yeah. And I don't know what you did to me, baby. Don't know what you did that I can't get you out of my mind, You know I ride with you, you know I'm down with you, 'cause you my heart desire. For you I not go tire. I lay my life for you, ready to die for you. You set my soul on fire. Girl, I wanna love you, baby, unconditionally, unconditionally, yeah. Baby, let me love you unconditionally, unconditionally, yeah. I wanna love you with no condition. From day one, that's my intention, and it's true. You know it's true, yeah. I see the loving when we get in my heart for you. That's why, baby girl, you the one I choose, yeah. You the one I choose, yeah. Girl, I don't wanna lose you. I just wanna love you unconditionally. Baby, I don't wanna lose you. I just want to love you unconditionally, yeah. So baby, let me love you unconditionally, unconditionally, yeah. Baby, let me love you unconditionally, unconditionally, yeah. Let me love you. I just want to love you. I wanna love you unconditionally. I just want to love you. So baby, let me love you unconditionally, 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 yeah. Baby, let me love you unconditionally, 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 yeah.
man. It's Alonzo, baby. Alonzo Abbasi. Yes, I.
Yeah. As long as I not die. Martin B. It's blinking the Buddha.
Twice eyes on the mix.
Yeah. Baby, they bust me brain now. Now you the ginger me. It's all like a insane. It's all like say smoke time be. Give me love, oh, give me love, oh. Give me love, oh, baby. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh. Show me love, oh, baby. Anything you want, I go buy 'em. I go buy shoes and design 'em. We go kick 'em like a final. The devil want try, we go bind 'em. Give me love, oh, give me love, oh. Give me love, oh, baby. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh. Show me love, oh, baby.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
Me beautiful queen, me I love you. No go do anything, me go wrong you. You know you my love, you my boo boo. Say baby so nice, how I do you? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And baby girl too funky. And you know they pan junkie. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Say 1 time, 2 time, 3 now you. The love way I get no to think and two. You know the woman of my life and me dream come true. Anything what you want, no go pin pan you. Me no ever see you with another man. If you know them call me criminal. Them say be a bad, me no animal. I no go marry you, I just waste the time. Baby, you make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
da 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 da. My girl, say now you be the one where they light up my world. Oh na 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 na. Cause you be the one where they give me love. When you give me a kiss, make I feel above. Baby too fresh, and I miss you all. I go love you till the end of the world. Anything you want, I go buy 'em. I go buy shoes and design 'em. We go kick 'em like a final. The devil want try, we go bind 'em. Give me love, oh, give me love, oh. Give me love, oh, baby. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh. Show me love, oh, baby.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
It's your boy Muscle.
Says on the mix, then you know it's a hit.
I am bad flow, we go make man losing seat. Find money, we go make you baby suck me meat. Ask Sam if I come, you go suck the shit. Bad man want sky, waiting go on cosign. But now me on time, me then sky next time. I go give them headline, me punchline the box spine. Senorita wine, money man, no they ask if you find. Anything what you want, I design. Big boys, no they got the line. So, my baby Cinderella, after spending, I go taking on me collar. Missionary, plus doggy, after coming, then I go all like kukada. Man, for they give me applause. My boy, big engineer, and then I got 5 girls na me DM, cause I guess she goes on my neck, real ice when they blink past stadion. Rich dan go 10, a ball pass Messi. Na me mama and prayers, where they always protect me, so me no see anybody will go come test me. Must pull up in a jet ski. no get money, but I get God. I no get money, but I get God. I no get money, but I get God. I get God, me I get God. I no get money, but I get God. I no get money, but I get God. I no get money, but I get God. I get God. I get God. God, God, God. I get God. God, 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 God. I get God. I get God. God, 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 God. I get God. I no get money, but I get God. That's why your family no like us, so they won't put us for side in them more tight also. But we go fly for them, they no go sight us, so I no get money, but I get gonna born jigger, Godfather. They won't put us for side in them more tight also. We go fly for them, they no go sight us, so let me know, give me no. Man, they want to see me down. Man, the way I call me on blood, they want see me fall. Man, they emphasize, but me life, let them give me funds. No one you just say, I beg, gonna give me God. Let me know, give me no. Man, they want to see me down. Man, the way I call me on blood, they want see me fall. Man, they emphasize, but me life, let them give me funds. No one you just say, I beg, gonna give me God. I no get money, but I get God. I no get money, but I get God. I no get money, but I get God. I get God, me I get God. I no get money, but I get God. I no get money, but I get God. I no get money, but I get God. I get God. I get God. I no get money, but I get
Like minds. Making strides, but we get we mind back home. Yeah, them my people who never leave them alone. Yeah. Anywhere we day, we love to the marrow and the bone. Sweet salon, yeah. Allegiance we go back home. Every last thing that we own, yeah. Sound body and a sound mind. Press forward, never rewind, yeah. Yeah. One stitch with it in time. Try not to get a make save nine. Good thoughts with it in mind, yeah. Only whom I go call me home. You know that me sweet salute, yeah. Sound body and a sound mind. Press forward, never rewind, yeah. Straight on left, we are moving on. Say we the carry on. Everybody dance, get your groove on. We turning the right lights on. Straight on left, we are moving on. Say we the carry on. Everybody dance, get your groove on. We turning the right lights on. Now we go slow to the ends of the earth, so make we grow slow. Make we on like go start take it better. Telling no lie, I'm keeping my head up high. Cause I know that turn by turn, and that they God they bless me one by one. Facing the truth after all lies gone. Counting your many blessings one by one, one by one. And I've been waiting, got money on my mind, contemplating success a part of mine. Sound body and a sound mind. Press forward, never rewind, yeah. Yeah. One stitch with it in time. Try not to get a make save nine. Good thoughts with it in mind, yeah. Only whom I go call me home. You know that me sweet salute, yeah. Sound body and a sound mind. Press forward, never rewind, yeah. Yeah. Kabbalah, Kabbalah. Straight on left, we are moving on. Say we the carry on. Everybody dance, get your groove on. We turning the right lights on. Straight on left, we are moving on. Say we the carry on. Everybody dance, get your groove on. We turning the right lights on. Now they fall on our water, then we turn fish. Be like a people, we're not selfish. We do that, my mission accomplish. And moving on, that's how we establish. And I've been waiting, got money on my mind, contemplating success a part of mine. Kabbalah,
we are moving on. Say we the carry on. Everybody dance, get your groove on. Turning the lights on. Train down left, we are moving on. Say we the carry on. Everybody dance, get your groove on. We turning the lights on.
Man.
Lele mou, Tim. Aye. Lele mou. Yeah. Lele talk. Baku talk. Lele talk.
Why you just there for 12? If you don't take and tell. Any news where they spread, now you they care. When you go blow and then style ya so. You know they grow and they done they go. You see Caddy, Alex and Marie, just because they agree. You know King Gladdy, I fuck well you sabi. Instead of you for they settle problem, but now you they go back and they cause dark. And when this you talk go stop. While you they talk, me they walk. And time done they tick round the clock. I don't know why you like Baku talk. And when this you talk go stop. While you they talk, me they walk. And time done they tick round the clock. When I get for succeed, now them back he go shock.
Now them go shock. The water side deep music don't dog. Then get enough for talk, but me yo nine them put stand them dirty months. This month is a month, you know go stop out Uchi and fat talk. I make them value the best network just for the Baku talk.
No problem.
Body don't give up. But how for do lele muna dem Baku? For take you talk go in heart for do. You just a well Baku talk, take you tell Baku talk. CNN.
And when this you talk go stop. While you they talk, me they walk. And time done they tick round the clock. I don't know why you like Baku talk. And when this you talk go stop. While you they talk, me they walk. And time done they tick round the clock. When I get for succeed, now them back he go show.
Metsu in the mix.
Let's have a dance. Give me another chance, 'cause I really needed you. I'm still the same. I've played a waiting game. You ought to know my love is true. So if I hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really love you, baby. If I hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really love you, baby. I gave you a clue about a thing I wanna do. Hope you would give me the answer I need. I've got a ring and lots of pretty things. Somehow I aim to succeed. So if I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really
hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. You see, this picture shows you how lonely I have been. I've always been on the outside looking in. Yeah, see what I mean? It would be a happy feeling if I could hold you and kiss you again. Now you're with me, I can really make you see that only true love can win. Oh, if I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. If I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. You see, this picture shows you how lonely I have been. I've always been on the outside looking in. Yeah, see what I mean? It would be a happy feeling if I could hold you and kiss you again. Now you're with me, I can really make you see that only true love can win. If I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. If I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. Sing on, Masco.
Come say hello, 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 everybody.
Tell them
say hello, 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 everybody.
Show them
in case you don't know, them are calling body man. And sometimes he come out in dress in black. Him gonna lead you the way, me say straight from the back. I told them, I talk with them, I say in no slack. So really the girl them I love Bunny Mac. This a Bunny Mac style. I tell you this a Bunny Mac style. Say what? Hey, you see how them style here so? Really and truly them wicked and wild. They just come out in fashion all the while. You know? Come say 1 and 1 and 2, come make me tell you what to do. Say 2 and 1 and 3, say we want to be free. Say 3 and 1 and 4, you better open up your door. 'Cause 4 and 1 and 5, they come out live. Say 5 and 1 and 6, you better keep your funny tricks. Say 6 and 1 and 7, say now 7 days a week. Say each and every day, say he really love you so. He love you from the heart and then he love you from the start. He love you from the heart and he will never part. This a lover dog style. I tell you this a Bunny master. On your back say you better get set. Boy you can be tell me what to get. On your back say you better get set. Don't you ever forget. This a Bunny Mac style. I tell you this a Bunny Mac style. May your gentle soul rest in perfect peace. Legendary Bunny Mac. Always remember you.
You give me my love, yeah. Big forward speech, so
write me money. You know I'm a touchy body.
Get to know want to know get. Could I get you know want to know get. This not a thing for face. I want put in every budget, but go to seconds work. When I touch you, they make style, you they give me stress now.
I say, baby, this should be complete. Body keep calling me, we are corporate. Baby, you know that it's all that it can make with that China.
chatting, not to let you see. I got to make a left for parking. Don't spend left to go.
Physically, commercially. If you love me, show me personally. I tell you with the drama practically. Spare no check mathematically. You say you want love, can't they know? Want for be the queen, can't base no. Say you want cash, can't chase no. Yeah, the key, love you don't want. Baby, you should be gone, baby. Body keep calling me, we are corporate. Baby, I just spend, you know, want to defend me. Tell me who does that? But the place done that. Oh, I can't fend you, you know, can't fend me. You love not big ball nuts.
Roll it up, we going off the lot.
what you saying, I don't know you, homie.
We are the national broadcaster, and I am Sulaiman Baba Toure, a reporter and presenter at the SLB.